Hello there, my name's Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Citroen Berlingo. This is the short wheelbase model in grey, coming with black alloys, giving an extra sporty feel. Now this does come in under 44,000 miles upon the clock. Cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist, along with air conditioning, radio, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, parking camera and sensors. We have a digital rear view mirror above here, 3 cloth lined seats as well as an automatic transmission. And I would show you the load area at the back as well. Even though this is a small van, it is still rather spacious in here. Cargo rings to tie down any load you may want to carry, as well as a pristine, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting the previous owner did only use this van for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Citroen Berlingo, head over to our website. It's in the description. It's anchorvans.co.uk, or why not come over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, where you can discover more about this vehicle and a couple of others as well. Thank you very much. Hopefully see you here soon. Hopefully one day this van might be on your driveway.